Because everybody have to work. If you are having expenses, paying rent, need money for your food, accommodation, then you have to work. And it doesn't mean that once you are a minister, then you have to stay without a work and do nothing. So it's not like this. And also I encourage all other politicians, they should take a step forward and should work after their retirement from job. They should start working in community as a normal people.